I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week, we're on week 9, is a label. So I've got this label. Geometric shapes, I've got assorted of those. A piece of graph or line paper, I've got that. A famous city, and I've got London, which is on my label. A bug or an insect, I have got this dragonfly, and I have got these butterfly stickers I'm trying to use up. And our bonus is brown paper, and I've got the brown paper with the blue polka dots. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. All right. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2026 CWP9 for week 9. So I'm going to get this paper down. I hope y'all are all doing good. I'm doing good. I finished the Tess Garrison book. It was really good. There's 2 more in that series. It's the Martini Club. And about retired spies, and somebody was after one of them after a bunch of years. So it was really good, and I want to read the other. There's 2 more books out, so I want to read the others. So I'm just going to kind of go around here, and I'm just going to add in some of my geometric shapes. I'll put that in the corner there. This one's going to be fairly simple. And I wanted a focal point, so I'm just going to add these flowers over the top. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get this down. These came out of my antiquarium sticker book. I just put back them on paper because they're not very sticky anyway. And they, that way I can also move them around. And now I've started a new one. It's a Mary Burton, and it's kind of a gritty, thick thriller. I didn't realize it's going to be that gritty, which I don't mind. It's just sometimes I like something a little lighter. This one's pretty gory. I mean, it gets into the details, I'll put it that way. Okay, I'm going to add that there. And I have another one that I misplaced. So I'm going to put these right there. I'm just going to hit it with a little bit of glue because, like I say, these things are not very sticky at all. Just to help it along. Yeah, I haven't gotten very far into the Mary Burton. I've read her books. I have read some of her books, but it's been a while. I couldn't remember. But this one was free with Prime. I'm gonna put that there. Put that there. Let's see. These are so thick, I can't use them on much, so I kind of want to get them out of my way. And that was too big. And there is plenty of room in this book for it to expand. Okay. So I like that. It's going to be a simple one. Keep reaching back. I've tried rearranging again my desk because it just wasn't working for me before. I'm not sure if it's going to work for me now, but we'll find out. I should have thought to have grabbed my whatever this is, watercolors. Let's see here. I think I'm gonna just kind of outline a little bit. It's not showing up very much. Go. Just to help it to pop. Okay. I don't know if that helps it or not. Sometimes you get lucky and it brings something to it. Sometimes it does not. And I do think, let's see here. I think first I'm gonna add just a little bit of color to my dragonfly with this bronzy. I hope it'll dry light enough to where you can see through it. This is pretty opaque though, so I don't know. If not, that's okay too. And I am gonna do my splatters. Don't know. This is kind of a chipboard, so I'm not sure if that's gonna dry or just wipe off. If it dries, I think it adds something to it. All right, we have got our label, which says London, geometric shapes. I've got a few of those around. And I had another one. I know I did. And it disappeared. Oh, well, I don't really have anywhere to put it anyway. A piece of graph or line paper. I've got that in the background. Famous city, London. Bug or insect. I've got a few of those. And the bonus is brown paper. And I've got this brown paper in the back. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Once again, be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. And be sure and check out the hashtag 2026 CWP9 to see what everyone else has made. Y'all take care. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.